This video is about negative adjectives about personality. Aloof. Aloof means unfriendly and deliberately not talking to other people. Two verbs be used with this word. Remain aloof, from somebody. Stay aloof, from somebody. For example, they worked hard, but tended to stay aloof from the local inhabitants. Moreover, keep and hold can be used in the following form. Keep yourself aloof, from somebody. Hold yourself aloof, from somebody. For example, she had always kept herself aloof from the boys in class. Belligerent. Belligerent means unfriendly. The synonym is aggressive. For example, his belligerent attitude drove me up the wall. Big-headed. Someone who thinks they are very important. Its opposite is modest. For example, he is handsome but also big-headed. Boastful. Boastful means talking too proudly about yourself. Its opposite is modest. He is handsome but also boastful. Callous. Callous means not caring that other people are suffering. For example, the teacher was callous and disregarded the feeling of students. Cantankerous. Cantankerous means bad-tempered. A cantankerous old man. Clingy. Clingy means too dependent on another person. A shy clingy child. Coward. Coward is someone who is not at all brave. Try it. Don't be such a coward. Cruel. Cruel is someone who deliberately hurting people or animal. Examples. The opposite is kind. The prisoner was a hard, cruel man. Cynical. Cynical means someone who unwills to believe that people have good, honest, or sincere reasons for doing something. For example, the public is cynical about election promises. Detached. Detached is someone who is not reacting to or becoming involved in something in an emotional way. Its opposite is involved. Try to take a more detached view. Deceitful. Someone who is deceitful tells lies in order to get what they want. For example, his manner was sly and deceitful. Dishonest. Dishonest is someone who cheat the other people. Example. People on welfare are wrongly seen as lazy or dishonest. Dogmatic. Dogmatic is someone who is dogmatic, is completely certain of their beliefs and expects other people to accept them without arguing. For example, her staff find her bossy and dogmatic. Fussy. Fussy is very concerned about small, usually unimportant details, and difficult to please. Sue was fussy about her looks. Gullible. Gullible means someone is too ready to believe what other people tell you, so that you are easily tricked. Example. Plastic replicas of the Greek pottery are sold to gullible tourists. Impulsive. Impulsive is someone doing things without considering the possible dangers or problems first. For example, Rosa was impulsive and sometimes regretted things she had done. Indecisive. Indecisive means unable to make clear decisions or choices. For example, he is a weak and indecisive leader. Jealous. Jealous, someone who is feeling unhappy because someone has something that you wish you had. Why are you so jealous of his success? Materialistic. Materialistic means someone who is caring a lot about money. Example. Jack is so materialistic. All he cares about is fashion. Narrow-minded. Narrow-minded means not willing to listen to new ideas. For example, the professor was really narrow-minded. Obnoxious. Obnoxious is very offensive, unpleasant, or rude. Example: she's the most obnoxious person I have ever met in my life. Obstinate. Obstinate, someone who is refusing to change your opinion. Example: he is very obstinate as well as being cute. Patronizing. Patronizing means who talks to you in a way that shows they think you are less intelligent or important than them. A patronizing attitude. Example: stop being so patronizing. I am not a child. Possessive. Possessive is someone who wants someone to have feelings of love or friendship for you and no one else. Its propositions are of, or, about. Example: she was terribly possessive of our eldest son. Resentful. Resentful means bitter. Its propositions are at, about, of. Example: she felt resentful at not being promoted. Self-centered. Self-centered means selfish. For example: please stop being so self-centered and think about your husband. Stingy. Stingy means not generous. Example: I hate going out with him because I always end up paying. He is so stingy. Tactless. Tactless means likely to upset or embarrass someone without intending to. Example: she's one of the most tactless people I've ever met. Touchy. Touchy means easily upset. His father is very touchy. Vain. Vain is too proud of their good looks, abilities, or position. Conceited is its synonym. Example: men can be just as vain as women.